So we just got back from New York City, and we're gonna ask John a couple of questions about how his trip went. And so here we go.
Well, I was walking to the city, and I experienced this.
Are you alright? You're in my room. You have a little, like,